Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine and doing well. The title of the book is Progressive English, Unit 1, Elephant. Same topic, The Orphan Elephant and Candy Perhera. Today we will complete the story. Students, open your book on page number 21. In the Perhera, the blessing of the gods are invoked. Invoked mean call on in prayer, mean दुआ की जाती है for the rain, बारिश के लिए, fertility, जरखेज़ी के लिए, and successful crops. Crops mean फसलें. As elephant are a cultural symbol of abundance. Abundance mean a very large quantity of something. Urdu means kasrat. And fertility. They play an essential visual stunning part. Stunning mean here extreme, impressive or attractive part. Perhaps the herd. Herd mean river had searched and searched for the lost baby and then been forced to move for the sake. For the sake mean की खातिर for their own survival. Survival mean बका, यानी अपनी बका के लिए वो चल पड़े आगे. Perhaps the mother had died. 100 lavishly decorated. Lavishly mean here शौक से, यानी 100 जो थे lavishly decorated, शौक से डेकोरेट किए गए थे एलिफेंट परेड इन दी ceremony. Ceremonies mean तकरीबात. Accompanied mean go something with as a companion mean साथी. By hordes of drummers. Hordes of drummers mean फौज या लश्कर. Drummers का डांस, drummers dancers and fire bearers. The elephant frequently travel long distance to reach Khandi for the Perhera, walking slowly by night in order to avoid the heat and the traffic. Whatever the reasons, the little orphan now stands by himself, even when lead to river where the other young elephant nuzzle him and splash each other with water. यानी दूसरे जो एलिफेंट्स थे उन्होंने एक दूसरे से नाक मिलाए और पानी के छींटे जो हैं एक दूसरे पे उड़ाए. They are decorated outside the temple of the tooth. Their mahots are riders. Riders mean सवार जो उनके थे. mahots mean जो एलिफेंट के साथ काम करते हैं. Drap mean पर्दे. Drap the elephants in the brilliant covering sewn सिले हुए with mirror in rich colors. Exotic amber yellow color, rich vibrant reds and bright rich shades of deep blue. ये जो एलिफेंट्स थे ये इनको जो थे सिले हुए शीशों के साथ सिले हुए पर्दे जो डेकोरेट किए हुए थे उन पे बहुत ब्राइट कलर और शीशों का काम हुआ था, उनसे सजाए गए थे ये एलिफेंट. ऑलमोस्ट एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी इट इज़ कवर्ड इन दीज डेकोरेटिव ड्रैप्स, यानी ये जो डेकोरेटिव पर्दे थे. until only their eyes are visible. 10 months later, the scene has changed. As the orphanage, a group of baby elephants shriek excitedly as they given their milk. तो 10 months later जो है ग्रुप ऑफ एलिफेंट जो है थे इतने एक्साइटेड, इतने खुशी से चीखे जब उनको मिल्क दिया गया. Now come on next paragraph students. The defenting mean नहायत तेज़ आवाज़ जो कान के पर्दों को फाड़ती हुई चली जाए. क्रैक, डिफेंटिंग क्रैक ऑफ अ whip mass. Whip mass mean to move quickly or forcefully, यानी जिसको किसी ने forcefully मूव किया है या quickly. Beginning of the ceremony and the procession starts. Men in white sarongs. Sarongs mean सूती और रेशमी कपड़े. सूती और रेशमी. Wielding whip. Wielding whip mean a piece of leather or rope that is fastened to stick used for as hitting animals. Flag bearers. They elaborately dressed elephants with their dazzling mirror covering glinting in the firelight. The drummers beaters a frantic rhythm. Frantic mean fast, energetic, in a rather uncontrolled. mean energetic, fast metric, and that is you can say uncontrolled. Horn hollers, dancers decked with their flashing ankles, um, bracelets, and necklaces, and brilliant costumes. The fire bearers illuminate mean रोशन किए by their great torch, the flames soaring many feet into the air. Afterward, they play in the river, running and splashing in their midst. In their midst is a black, well-fed, happy little elephant. The elephant, the elephants three abreast. Abreast mean barabar, साथ, बखबर. Link trunks and sway to the rhythm of the urgent beating of the drums, unper, unperturbed by the manic manic mean divana war movement, in fire, intense heat and noise around them. Now come on, last paragraph on this page. The people regard the elephants. The people regard the elephant as clouds that walk the earth, and so they are essential in attractive the vital rains. Vital mean निहायत ज़रूरी जो अहम बारिश. When the Khandi Perhera is finally over, and the gods at every shrine mean Vizarat, have been honored, the elephants plod back to their villages for the everyday work. The sad little orphan who stood silently by the tree 10 months ago with his trunk curled on the ground has found a new life. The great Khandi Perhera is all over for another years. ये जो great Khandi Perhera थी ये next year तक जो थी over हो गई. Students, now come on next page. That is page number 22. The orphan elephant. Now we will read about the orphan elephant. In Pinavala Elephant Orphanage in Sri Lanka, a baby elephant stands by himself. He is tied to a tree, although the rope which ties him is unnecessary, गैर ज़रूरी, because he is completely still with his head hanging low and his trunk curling on the ground. He is picture of misery and dejection. Just 1 month, just 1 month before he was brought to the orphanage by villagers who had found him alone and deserted. His body yellowed and neglected. Neglected means nazarandaz हुई. Where was his mother? Perhaps the herd had lost the little elephant, and where was and she was now grieving for her baby which she had carried inside her for 22 months before finally giving birth to him. Perhaps the herd had searched and searched for the lost baby and then been forced to move on for the sake of their own survival. Perhaps the mother had died. Now come on, last paragraph. Whatever the reasons, the little orphan now stands by himself, even when led to the river, where the other young elephants nuzzle him and splash each other with water. 10 months later, the scene has changed. At the orphanage, a group of baby elephants shriek excitedly as they are given their milk. Afterward, they play into the river, running and splashing. In their midst is a black, well fed, happy little elephant, the sad little orphan who stood silently by the tree with his trunk curled on the ground 10 months before has found a new life. A new life. Students, now we will do question answer reading for understanding. the orphan elephant. First question is explain how the baby elephant's behavior shows that he was distressed. The answer of this question, because he is completely still with his head hanging low and his trunk curling on the ground. He is a picture of, not odd, of misery and dejection. Next question is, why was the elephant bodies yellowed when he was found? Answer is, his body was yellowed because he could not eat anything for many days. Next question is, what was the suggestions does the writer make about what might have happened to his mother? Answer is, he thinks that his mother is grieving for her baby, or she might died. The answer is, he thinks that his mother is grieving for her baby, or she had died. Next question is, in what ways had the elephant changed 10 months later? Answer is, the elephant had adjusted himself to his new home, became strong and happy. Question number 5. What adjective would you use to describe the atmosphere of the text not next? Answer is sad, dejected and gloomy. Students, now note down your homework. Reading page number 21 and 22. Read page number 21 and 22 2 or 3 times. Then you have to make 10 fill in the blanks. For example, an elephant, as elephants are cultural dash of abundance and fertility. Answer will be, as elephants are cultural symbol of abundance and fertility. In this way you can make fill in the blanks. Write this question answer in your notebook, and also you have to learn all these question answer. Next we will teach in next lecture, inshallah. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.